boxes too, and I'm so glad that you want to check out July's with me. If you don't know me, my name's Tracy Hyde. This is my channel. I am an independent consultant with Jordan Essentials, and I want to share with you our Joyful Jordan box. Now, this box, if you don't know, can be a subscription, or you can purchase them one at a time. If you subscribe, you get free shipping on your shipment of just your box, okay? And you also get a gift from me every month that you claim your subscription, because you can pause it, you can send it to someone else, you can do all kinds of things with it, because you'll get to check it out before it comes to you. So for July, we have this amazing like, it calls us to the beach, okay? And it comes with this amazing card. They always come with a great card with a cute little saying in it. Doesn't this look amazing? I mean, it just wants me to go to the beach. Like, I want to go to Hawaii right now. And then it's got a description of all of our products that are in the box on the back of your card, okay? So the July card says, my favorite summer recipe? Well, that's a dash of sunshine, a splash of self-care, and a whole lot of heart. I like it a lot. If you don't know me outside of Jordan Essentials, I'm also a school social worker, so self-care is kind of my jam. Yeah. Anyways, so 3 products in our box right now. Absolutely amazing. The first one is our super cute Dead Sea mud mask. It's also got kaolin clay in it, okay? So isn't that amazing? So adorable. Kaolin and Dead Sea minerals are in it for spa vibes at home, it says. Detox and glow in one easy step. Dead Sea mud and kaolin clay mask draws out impurities, clears pores, and balances oil, while honey powder brightens and rose water soothes for soft, radiant skin. I absolutely love this. You just put this on after you wash your face, and then leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it. Do this 1 or 2 times a week and your skin will be absolutely gorgeous, okay? So then our second one is Beach Waves leave-in conditioner. It's got a coconut lime smell to it. Look at that, those little waves. Don't you want to go to the beach? I'm totally in, absolutely. So I have naturally curly hair. This is even after having been straightened today. So I'm good with some Beach Waves leave-in conditioner. I love a leave-in conditioner. That's one of my favorite things to put in my hair, because I've got like a natural curl to it a little bit, and it'll get really frizzy if I don't put leave-in conditioner in it. So for a soft, relaxed style, Beach Waves leave-in conditioner is a moisture-packed miracle for your hair. Rich in minerals and vitamins, it helps strengthen, reduce breakage, and boost shine, keeping your hair soft, hydrated, and easy to manage. Yes, 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 you are gonna wanna try some, absolutely. So super cute. So all you have to do is, once you've washed your hair, you can just spray it or apply it to your hands and then rub it through your hands, and then let it dry, and then style it as usual. Okay, so then last but not least in our amazing box of goodies is our Sea Spa hand and body lotion. So listen, this is a magnesium lotion. So yeah, all the great benefits of magnesium. I know you know what they are. But another very important piece of this is this scent. The Sea Spa retires at the end of the month. So as of July 31st, this scent will retire and you will not be able to get it again. So you're going to want to grab it up before the 1st of August, okay? Because we got to make room for new smells. So the Sea Spa Magnesium Lotion, sweet dreams and softer skin. Clean aqua fragrance Sea Spa Magnesium Lotion carries you away as magnesium recharges sore muscles, calms stress, and supports restful sleep, all while hydrating your skin with a refreshing scent, okay? So you just massage this into your skin, your arms, your legs, your whatever that you need to relax, and use it every day. And if you use it before bed, boy, oh boy, are you gonna be a happy camper, I promise. Okay, so love, love, love the Joyful Jordan box. Again, like I said, you can buy them 1 month at a time, or you can subscribe and get a great deal, $30, 40 plus in value, but 30 bucks, and if you subscribe you get free shipping, okay? So you're solid with it all. So in the first comment below, you're gonna find a way that will take you right to the Joyful Jordan box if you'd like to get one for this month, and it will give you the option of subscribing, getting it individually and once a month ish, and then you can also choose to not get a box, but maybe you want the cute little box that it comes in. Maybe you want to make sure you get it in the box because it makes it an easy gift that way. I don't know, entirely up to you. Maybe you don't care if it comes in a box, you just want the goodies. I totally get that too. I am with you. Let's go, right? All right, one last thing I want to share. Did you know that as a consultant I earn this for $5? It's 30 bucks, but I earn it for $5. How do I do that? Why don't you ask me? I can't wait to share with you how I get to do that every month. I get one for $5 every month. All right, thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you loved this video, love this box. Can't wait to get your hands on your own. If you did, if that's the case, why don't you give me a like, huh? And then could you share with somebody that you think might need this as well? And then don't forget to subscribe. I don't know why I always forget to tell you until the very end of the video, but hit that subscribe button. Let's get to 500. We're going to have some fun. And then last but not least, would you go watch another video for me? Thanks so much. I really appreciate your support. Have a beautiful day and rest of your July. I'll see you again. Bye.